That's not normal. We help.
Something hurts, not angry.
We move together. Gentle. Gently. We're not here to take it. We protect it. Watch the walls. Move with it.
Got it!
Stay behind me!
It's hurting. Fix it. We'll fix it. That's it. That's causing the pain. We need to take it out. Gently.
It's not them. It's the shard.
Exactly. Let's help it.
We stop. No more force.
It's okay now. We're here. Easy. We're helping. Careful. It's listening. Like this. Careful, careful. Good. We're together. It's out. It's safe now. Look, it's calming.
It's safe, all of it.
We did it. Together. Everything's balanced again. Feels good, doesn't it?
It's safe now. We did it, look.
It's coming back. Everything's alive again. We really did it. We good?
We good!
It's beautiful.
It's glowing.
Look at how far we've come.
Yeah, and we're just getting started.
Let's see what's out there.